Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to log out WhatsApp account. Now just open your WhatsApp account. Here on the top right you will see the three dots, tap on it, go to the settings icon here. Now in the bottom, as you can see here, there's a no option to log out, right? Then how we can just log out from this account? So now I will just go and tap on my account section, and in the account section, as you can see here, there's a no option to log out. You will get this option of add account, but you will also get an option to delete account, but there's a no option to delete log out your account. So how we can do this? So to do this, first of all, you have to just go to your settings of your phone. Once you go to the settings of your phone, just open the app section here, and in the app section go and click on app management, search for WhatsApp mobile application here. So just open our WhatsApp, and now you have to go and click on storage. Now click on clear cache, and once you click on clear data, automatically it will get deleted. Your account will get logged out, right? So this is a proper way to log out your account, and this is the only way in actually. I hope you found this video very useful. If it is, subscribe.